So this past week was the Africa Open Data Conference. So we're here with Jeff and Adam, and we're at the Africa Open Data Conference. Got a little blackout.
Yeah, welcome to Ghana.
Welcome to Ghana. At the Accra International Conference Center, right across from Parliament, so that was pretty cool. That was a week-long conference where a whole bunch of representatives from around the world, really.
I'm Asuna Sidibe. I'm the co-founder of the Mali OpenStreetMap community. I'm from Mali.
My name is Mugire Wai from Kenya.
My name is Emos Uza with Farmerline. My session is Smart Agriculture.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana.
My name is Gabriela Fafao from Hill Hill Montessori School, Ashuman Estate.
A bunch of stakeholders from government and academia especially that are looking at the data that governments are collecting.
We need to open data. Data is the new oil of Africa. It's the new lifeblood of Africa.
We need to have data because data is the token that can help make evidence-based decisions, and for companies can give them competitive advantage over others.
And figuring out how to best organize that, to collect it, to use it, what data to collect, who to give it to, how to make it open and shared more, and then how to build more understanding in the community of what that data means.
A full-day training and workshop on how to actually track open budgets in government.
Why is citizen participation important? Next slide.
We are looking at, there are a lot of technologies which big corporations and big commercial farms are employing. But most of African farmers are smallholder farmers with less than a hectare. How do we take these technologies and apply it to these farms and make meaning out of this data to help the farmers improve their productivity?
And of course, in the private sector, it's going to help them to get insights into government spending and how they can engage.
So a big part of that is visualizing it.
So basically, how do you display the data we transform this sort of raw data into a schematic map, the one you can see on the left of the screen.
And this is pretty phenomenal. What you're seeing right now is the previous state-of-the-art of population density data. So you can see it's not very granular, the resolution's pretty low. As we zoom in, what you can see now is population density data using Facebook artificial intelligence. So what are we doing to get this type of population density data?
So there are a lot of talks on mapping, which is really cool to see. From Facebook, there was even a guy from Apple. The OpenStreetMap community held a mapping, like mapathon thing, where basically we went overnight, or not, like in the evening, to one of the co-working spaces in Ghana, and just got like a whole bunch of people together and helped create maps for certain areas that aren't mapped very well yet.
This tells us how important public procurement is in achieving sustainable development in Africa.
I kind of tried to get a lot of my conversations to go towards just trying out the idea of if we visualize this in 3D, would that actually help? And I get a lot of really good feedback. A lot of people thought, okay, yeah, if you add more dimensions to this and you give it a realistic image, then that's something that will help people more intuitively look at it and just understand it. And so the main thing we talked about was this tree concept and building upon the tree idea. That's basically where you have a tree that represents the government, and the roots show, and it's kind of like all showing the flow of resources. So the roots are kind of like government reaching into its tax base and pulling up the funding for everything for its budget. And then the trees and branches are like each department and where all that funding is going. And so you know, the leaves might be the individual employees, or the kind of like the in-house, the government itself, and then the tree, of course, too. And then like fruits would be like, okay, we have this highway we want to build, or this big energy project, and so that's like a product that grows and serves a purpose. So that's the main idea with the tree concept. That's all I'm gonna have for this video now, and then hopefully we can do more later. It's a tree story. Hey. So if you'll notice right now, I'm not in Kenya. I actually was headed there, and then just because of all the stuff going on with the elections, I stayed at my layover in the Netherlands. Stayed for a few days with some friends there, and then now I'm in Germany, staying with family for a couple of days. I'll be heading to Tanzania next, and then from there going to Kenya. So, and that should take out the rest of August, and then go into September, and then we'll go from there. So, see ya.